Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll introduce you to React.js, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Let's dive in. React.js, commonly known as React, is an open-source JavaScript library created by Facebook. It's used to build user interfaces, especially for single-page applications where you want a smooth, fast experience without refreshing the page. Here are a few key features of React. 1. Components. React applications are built using components. These are reusable pieces of code that represent parts of the user interface. 2. JSX. JSX is a syntax extension that looks similar to HTML. It makes writing React components easier by allowing you to mix HTML with JavaScript. 3. Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual DOM to efficiently update and render components. When something changes, React updates only the necessary parts of the DOM, improving performance. To start building with React, you need to set up your development environment. 1. Install Node.js. Download and install Node.js from nodejs.org. 2. Create a new React project. Use the Create React App tool by running a command in your terminal. 3. Start the development server. Navigate into your project directory and start the server. Your new React app will open in your browser. That's a basic introduction to React.js. We've covered what React is, its key features, and how to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.